Remember that boy who was bothering you in Wallington?
Oh, yeah, that's right. Walter's friend. How'd it go then? How old was this furniture? For your information, Dad, I was 10, okay? He was 12 and a half. Ooh. He called me Big Nose Jerome. I said, stop. He said, okay, DNZ. I knew what that meant. Yeah. I punched him in the stomach and he went down like a sack of doorknobs. Yeah. Wasn't Big Nose Jerome anymore. It was Silver Punch.
You don't have a big nose, kid. It's perfect for your face.
It's perfect for two-face. All right, Dad. Knock it off. Easy there, Super Punch. Yeah. What do they call you, huh? Super Punch?